Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to download and install the Figma desktop app on your Mac step by step. Figma is one of the most popular design tools for UI design, prototyping, and real-time collaboration. Using the desktop app gives you better performance and faster access to your design files compared to using it in a browser. Let's get started. First, open any web browser on your Mac. In the address bar, go to figma.com/downloads. I'll also place the direct link in the video description below. When the page loads, scroll down until you see the Desktop Apps section. Click on Desktop App for Mac OS. The download will begin automatically. This may take a few seconds depending on your internet speed. Once the download is complete, open your Downloads folder and double-click the Figma installer file. A new window will appear. Simply drag the Figma app into the Applications folder. This installs Figma on your Mac. When the copying process finishes, close the window and move the installer file to the trash. Next, open the Applications folder and double-click Figma to launch it. If macOS shows a security message saying the app was downloaded from the internet, click Open to continue. The first time Figma launches, it may take a moment to load its resources. It might also ask for permissions such as file access. Be sure to allow this so everything works correctly. After that, you'll be prompted to sign in. Log in using your Figma account, Google account, or email. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded and installed Figma Desktop on your Mac. You're now ready to design interfaces, create prototypes, and collaborate with your team directly from the desktop app. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and check out the channel for more Mac tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.